Too far. Way too far. Oh my god, they all left. Dang it. Too far. Shit. Still too high? Woo! There we go. There we go. There we go. Right here. Ah, nice. Perfect. Awesome. Got him. Whew. There we go. Nice. Awesome. First duck of the day. Woo! I think I'm just gonna wait here. Too far. He saw me way before. The wind's blowing too. Alright, let's keep walking. Holy shit. You can see those. Got one. Got one. Gonna have to put my waders on. Ah, he saw me. Dang it. Oh my God. Still pretty far. 40 yards away. Got one. Got one. Okay. I think he's dead. I'll give him some time. Okay, so I got 3 now. That was exciting. Alright, time to go get those 2 ducks I killed. One drifted away quite a ways. It's not good. Okay, wish me luck. It's muddy in here. I think there's like a river channel here, which I don't want to fall into. So I have a net with me. It's definitely getting deeper. That's deep. Holy crap, ducks coming. Holy crap, so many ducks coming. other one's way over there. These waders are so much easier to walking than the other ones. Let's see what this is. Gawo. Let's see if we can get back this way. Oh shoot. Oh here. Oh no, that's mallard, I think, actually. You know, I thought I saw the blue wings. Okay, let's see the wings. Oh yeah, that's a mallard. Look, the blue wings. So you can tell. I think the white is gawo. Blue is mallard. Could be wrong though. Ooh, these waders are awesome. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, I got another one way over there. Holy, duck is gonna land around my head. Sorry, buddy. I would have shot you, but you don't have my gun with me. Oh my god. It's getting deeper. Holy, for sure, it's getting deeper. I'm so close. But so far away. Okay, it's going back up again. That's good. That was the deepest spot. Almost touching my belt. This one's a gawo, I think. Oh, it's a mallard. Oh, it's a mallard. Looks like a gawo. Sweet. Nice. I think we made it. I'm gonna save the GoPro battery here. Nice buck. Just came up here to get my keys that I got, but I saw standy mule deer buck. Oh, I think there he goes. That's a nice buck. Okay, there he goes. Oh, there he goes. Bounce, 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 bounce.